अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज Ahsan Shah और आप लोग देख रहे हो स्पीरियर ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेजेस MCS कैंपस. Today is the lecture of web engineering. Our course name is web engineering, web programming, and we are switching towards our chapter number 3. uh, some students are missing in the class, so I decided to present lecture on recorded screen or captured screen. Today our topic is div tag, and the last time we have studied about some tags regarding HTML5. The tags names are horizontal line, text formatting, line breaks, paragraphs, headings, type of headings, head section, body section, basic page creation using HTML, limitation of HTML, benefits of HTML, basic structure of HTML document, and much more. These are all the topics that we have already discussed in the previous lectures and the previous classes. Now it is time to stand up, grow up in the field of web engineering and web programming, and we are currently studying the introduction to HTML. Today our topic is div tag. So let's start. The div tag. Let me test my voice and my vocal and my screen recording regarding this lecture. Thank you.